Good morning, student. Today we are going to read the next topic in the topic of the fractions in the subject of mathematics O levels. And the topic's title is solving word problems involving the four operations of the fractions. So here is our example. Statement is Tina had $856. She spent 5 by 8 of it on a handphone and 1 by 3 of the remainder on a necklace. How much money did she have left? Okay, now we are going to solve it. So here is the statement. She had total 856 and spent 5 by 8 of it on the handphone. So spent on handphone will be equal to 5 by 8. So 5 by 8 of 856. So now cancellation will be there. 8 ones are 8. So 8 ones are 8, 0, and 8 sevens are 56. And now multiply these two values. 5 sevens are 35 and 5 ones are 5. So this is the money that is spent on handphone. Okay, next statement is and 1 by 3 of the remainder. So first we will find the remainder. Remainder will be equal to 856 minus 535. So 856 and 535. 1, 2, and 3. So $321 are left. So the next statement is 1 by 3 of the remainder on a necklace. So necklace. One by 3 of the remainder, and the remainder is 321. So cancel it again. 3 ones are 3, 3 sevens are 21. So $107 are spent on the necklace. Okay, how much money did she have left? So left money will be equal to, this was the remainder after purchasing the handphone. So this is the 321 and this further is spent on necklace. So solve it again. So look now, 321 and 107. So 4, 1 and 2. So $214 will be left. This is the final answer. Here is another question. Statement of the question is Felix bought a bag of the sweets. So again, a small technique will be used in this question as well. So concentrate. So Felix bought a bag of the sweets. He ate 3 by 8 of it on Monday and 1 by 4 of the remainder on Tuesday. If he ate 20 sweets on Tuesday, so look now, 1 by 4 of the remainder on Tuesday, this is given, and also something more is given on the Tuesday, that is he ate 20 sweets. So these are the alternate things of one another. 1 by 4 of the remainder on Tuesday and ate 20 sweets on Tuesday. Requirement is how many sweets did he buy altogether? So it means the total number of the sweets is not given. That is the requirement. So let's suppose he has 100% sweets. 100% stands for 1. So Felix bought a bag of the sweets. He ate 3 by 8 of it on the Monday. So if he ate 3 by 8 on the Monday, so the remainder after eating on the Monday will be total minus 3 by 8. We will solve this thing. Answer will be 5 by 8. So this is the remainder after eating on Monday. Now the further statement is and 1 by 4 of the remainder on Tuesday. 1 by 4 of the remainder. So 1 by 4 of stand for multiply, and remainder is 5 by 8. So now we will solve it. That will give us answer 5 by 32. So this is the thing which he actually ate on Tuesday. 1 by 4 of the remainder on Tuesday. So we have solved it. So this is the fraction which he ate on Tuesday. At the same time, the quantity is given. This is the quantity which he ate on Tuesday. So this fraction will be equal to 20. So this is the stage now. Actually, in the beginning, we have supposed Felix had bought 100% stands for 1. So actually, we from here, we will go to the value of 1. So 5 by 12 is equal to 20. So look now, this 5 will go to the right side. That will go into the denominator. So 20 divided by 5 will equal to 4. So in next stage, you can shift 30 to the right side. So 32 multiplied by 4. This is one way. Here 1 will be left. That will be the answer. And other way is multiply both sides with 32, because 32 divided by 32 stands for 1, because 32 ones are 32. So 1 will be here. So this is another way. So there, from this stage, there will be two ways. Shift this 32 to the right side, so it will be multiplied with 4. So 4 multiplied by 32 will be the answer. And another way is multiply 32 on the both sides. This is another way to get up to the 1 over here. So this is the answer. So if you can see here, in each and every question, we are using some kind of the technique. So this is the thing which is required to get, to absorb. These things will help you in paper number 1 of mathematics. Here is another question. The statement of the question is 2 by 3 of the Anna's savings is equal to 1 by 3 of the Bobby's savings. If Bobby saved $30 more than Anna, how much did Anna save? Okay. So in this question, first we will let Anna's saving. So let Anna's savings. Let's suppose Anna has saved X dollars. Definitely, Bobby's savings is more than $30 more than Anna's. So Bobby's savings will be X plus $30 then. So now again come to the statement 2 by 3 of Anna's savings. So now look, 2 by 3 of Anna's savings is equal to 1 by 3 of Bobby's saving. So 1 by 3 of Bobby's saving. Bobby's saving is X plus 30. So just now solve this equation, you will get the answer. 3 will be cancelled on both sides. So 2x is equal to 1 will be multiplied inside the bracket. So bracket will be opened. This x will come to the left side. Remainder will be x. So x is equal to 30. So x is equal to 30 and the symbol is used dollar sign. So X is the savings of Anna. So this was the requirement, Anna's saving. If we are required to find the Bobby's saving as well, that is $30 more. So Bobby's saving will be $60. Here is another question. The statement of the question is a tailor had some buttons. He used 36 buttons to sew on some shirts. He then used 5 by 8 of the remaining to sew on some dresses. If he still had 3 by 10 of his buttons left, how many buttons did he have at first? Okay, the method to solve this question is let he had buttons at first. So let's suppose these are the buttons which he had at first. Okay, look now. He used 36 buttons to sew on some shirts. So after shirts, remainder will be X minus 36 buttons are used in the shirt. So this is the remainder after shirts. Okay, further statement is he then used 5 by 8 of the remainder on some dresses. So remainder after dresses. So dresses, remainder. Okay, 5 by 8 of the 5 by 8 of the remainder to sew on some dresses. Okay, this was the remainder. From this, he has used 5 by 8. 5 by 8 of the remainder. X minus 36. So if we solve it, we will get the remainder after dresses. So look now, we are going to solve it. So brackets will be open and LCM will be taken. So 8 is the LCM and 8x minus 8 6 are 48, 4, 8 3s are 24 and 4 28 minus 5x minus 5 6 are 30, 3, 5 3s are 15 and 18. Solve it further. 8x minus 5x, 3x and 288 minus 180. So 288 and 180 will be added. So 8, 16, 1, 3 and 4. 468 divided by 3. Okay, this is the remainder after dresses. Now further statement is if he still had 3 by 10 of the 3 by 10 of his buttons left. So look now, if he has still 3 by 10 of the buttons, so original buttons were X and this is still he has, that is 3x minus 468 over 3. So solve it now. So this 10 will go to the right side. It will become 30x minus 4680 and this 3 will come to the left side, so it will become 9x. 9x will go to the right side. It will be 21x and this will come to the left side, so 4680. Solve it on the calculator, you will get the answer.